Hello, let us try how to use the book resource in Moodle. So first thing we have to do is we have to log into our account. So this is the server and I log in here. And in the site home we already have some dummy code sitting here which I have created earlier. So we'll open this and come here and turn editing on. So in any section we can go and add an activity. So there is already a demo book, so we will add another activity called a book. Choose a book, add. So now we can give some title. We can say example of a book. Book is something like actually teaching notes. So this is the description which we want to print. And appearance, like style of navigation, we can put the text so that it will show the title of the next chapter while navigating. So remaining things let us leave it as a default. So here is our example book is created. Now double click on this to add content. So it says add a new chapter. So we just add our first chapter. We will just do cut and paste from a storybook. So this is our first chapter. And instead of typing, so I'll just get some material from somewhere and do pasting here. Okay. If you want, you can give a title here. More formatting, center it, and it can be taken as a heading. Now in the running matter you can do all kinds of formatting whatever you want. And suppose say if you want to insert a picture, there are many ways to do that. You can do simple cut and paste from other resources, like say copy image from here, you come here and just paste the image here. It's here, but it's too big an image, so we will make it slightly smaller. Auto size is active, and instead of bottom let us keep it as a right. So right aligned image, so it text on this side and image on that side goes. So now you can keep on adding material here. Suppose say if you want to add a video audio here, you just click here and say start recording. Now whatever you are saying, it is getting recorded, and this is okay, you can say it's an example, so I can say stop recording and attach the recording here. So whatever I have talked during that, it will be available here. So similarly you can add other resources. In our case we may be adding equations and other things, and all the text formatting features you can use, like this one, and if you want to use this strike off everything. So that's it, there is nothing new in it. So once it is over, just say save changes. So once the first chapter is saved, it appears, a table of content appears here. So I can say plus add the second chapter. So we say so again you add matter to the second chapter, and so we come here, little bit of text matter, again we will do cut and paste. Okay, so here also if you want you can put picture or whatever it is, and then you go save second chapter. Then add one more, third chapter. We will put a little bit more text into it. And save changes. So now you can, here you see this, suppose say you want to change the order of the chapters, and also you can just put this here, right? The chapter number it will take care. So then here you can edit any of them by clicking these gear buttons, right here. So third chapter went here, so it is not third chapter, it is right, it is, we have to give some other name. Save. And save it. So this is, so you can just put this back into the other order. So in between you can edit and you can change the order, you can make some of them invisible if you want, hide it, and you can add more chapters. So now turn editing off. So we have completed our book, right? So let us now go to the site home and let us see how it whole thing looks. So here in dummy course, if we come, so here is the example book we did, an example of a book. So you can, now somebody reading it, so they see the first chapter here, then you can say the next one, you click here, get the next one. You can go back to the previous, this one, the last one, right? Exit the book. So this is how you create a book, and I think let us stop here.